Morning guys, welcome to day 2 of the park, and as I said yesterday we're staying at the Newport Bay Hotel. So we've just come down to the Cape Cod restaurant for breakfast this morning. I will take you around the buffet just to show you what food that they have on offer, and I'll also let you know what I've chosen as well. So this is what I've gone for. I've just picked up some scrambled egg, bacon and a slice of toast, and then I've also had a sweeter plate as well. So I have a pan au chocolat. This looks like some sort of loaf cake with the Mickey logo running all the way through, which is really sweet. And then I've also picked up one of the traditional Mickey waffles and just drizzled a bit of chocolate sauce over. For drinks, I've gone for an orange juice, but I will definitely be picking up a coffee a bit later on. Mum's just getting some coffee from the machines, so you can pick up your lattes, cappuccinos, Americanos from there, and also fresh juice. So we're just heading on over to the Disneyland Park now. We've got a really nice day planned, and we're going to try and catch the Shine Brighter parade, and we've also got tickets to the Lion King Rhythm of the Pride Land show, lunch at Captain Jack's, and I think towards the end of the day we're going to head over to the Disney Studios park to watch the Avengers show this evening. And this is just what the Newport Bay Hotel looks like. We're heading on over to Indiana Jones now, so just going to try and squeeze that in before we have lunch.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high.
Off to Captain Jack's. For starters, I went for the quinoa salad with the cashew nuts, and I had that with a Coke Zero. Mum's gone for the same, but she's had a Fanta. So this quinoa salad is really good. It's definitely got sort of a cumin flavour to it, and I think that the cashew nuts just complement it really well. But it's a very flavourful dish. Definitely would recommend this. And I'm hoping you can see a bit of the restaurant behind me, because the attention to detail in here is just amazing. You really do feel like you've stepped in another world completely. It doesn't feel like you're in the middle of a theme park at all. This is the view from our table, so you can see the guys going on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride past. Really impressed with Captain Jack so far, and I'm going to carry on enjoying my lunch. So we've just finished our lunch at Captain Jack's, and we both really enjoyed our food. I have to say, like, some of the menu items, they're probably things that I wouldn't have normally picked or gone for, but I'm really pleased that I tried something new, because the food was really good here. I definitely recommend. I had the chicken and prawn main course, which has got sort of a coconut type curry to it. It reminded me a little bit like a thinner textured korma with some wild rice. And then I also had the rice pudding with the mango puree, and that was really good as well. So we're going to head out now. We may have a look at and see if we can get on the train and just have a tour around the park. And we are going to also try and catch the Shine Bright Parade this afternoon. So I'll catch you a bit later.
Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love.
Ourselves a spot for this afternoon's parade, and hopefully we'll have a good view. Mum's just popped to find a coffee because it has got a little bit chilly now, so hopefully that will warm us up a little bit, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to get some good shots for you. Hope you enjoy.
So now, are you ready for the ride? It's time to dream and shine brighter. The memories are all around. Come on, let's dance!
Here we are! All dressed up and ready to dance!
Demandez à un lapin malin.
Imaginables. Pendant que vous autres vous concentrerez sur les robots.
Salut tout le monde! C'est bon, je suis là. On peut commencer. Pourquoi vous partez?
Hey guys, just got back into our hotel room and I'm about to get ready for bed. I'm absolutely shattered, but it's been so worth it. I've really enjoyed all of the things that we've done today. I think the highlights for me were definitely the Lion King show. It was just out of this world. The aerial acrobatics were just phenomenal is the only word that I can think of. If you're ever in Disneyland Paris, I would definitely recommend that without a shadow of a doubt. Love Captain Jack's as well. I think it's just the novelty of the restaurant being in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. You really do feel like you're in a completely different world. You don't even feel like you're in a theme park. It's just, I can't tell you how much I've enjoyed it. We also saw the Dream and Shine Brighter parade today and that was awesome. I think out of the two parades that we've seen, that one is definitely my favourite. I just love the whole vibe of it. The music is so uplifting, everybody's dancing, all the park guests are dancing as well. Nobody's taking themselves too seriously, just having a good time and enjoying the moment. I feel like I'm naming basically everything that we've done today, but I have just enjoyed every second. So I'm going to go and take my makeup off, get my pyjamas on and get into bed, because we've got a really fun day planned tomorrow. We're going to be visiting the Disney Studios park, and I've just realised that the headboard, it looks like I've got mouse ears on, so even when I'm not wearing my mini ears, I still look like I've got some going. So I'm going to sign off for today because I know that my voice is going. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave so you don't miss the Walt Studio tour tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Enjoy the rest of your evening.